How to find deleted photos on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find deleted photos on your iPhone, whether you want to recover them or permanently delete them. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Photos app on your iPhone. And once you have opened it, simply scroll down to the Utilities section at the bottom and tap on Recently Deleted. And here simply tap on View Album, and after that you need to verify yourself by putting your password or just giving your Face ID. And now here in this section you can see all the recently deleted photos and videos, but remember, it only stays up to 30 days. So you can simply tap on Select at the top right and choose the photos or videos that you want to recover or delete permanently. And after that, at the bottom, simply tap on the three dots icon, and from the pop-up menu you can simply tap on Recover to restore them to your photo library and tap on Delete to remove them forever from your device. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.